This is the installation and commissioning video of low vacuum dehydration machine by Kleenoil Filtration India. First we will start with the hose connections. Connect the inlet hose pipe to the suction line. Then we will connect outlet hose pipe to the filtration line. Next we will see the valve positioning. Throttle the suction line ball valve approximately between 30 to 50%. Throttling of inlet valve is required to maintain a certain oil level. Filtration line ball valve will remain open. Aeration ball valve will remain open. Auto water drain ball valve remain open. Manual water drain ball valve remains closed. Connect the 3-phase power supply. Switch on the main MCB. Then verify the 3-phase indicator light. Check the voltmeter. Check the hour meter. Release the emergency stop button. Observe the temperature indicator. There are 4 different selector switches, each controlling specific functions. Set the machine to auto mode. The machine will start automatically. The vacuum pump will turn on. Heater will turn on only after the oil reaches the predefined level in the heating chamber. After some time, the discharge pump will switch on. That confirms the machine is operating smoothly. Check the vacuum gauge. It indicates the amount of vacuum being created inside the degassing chamber. After several hours of continuous operation, water drains easily from our Lvdh machine using either manual or automatic mode, indicating that the machine is running properly.